Good day, Engineer Jeremy C. Balang. I'm Ana Jane L. Ramos of BSME 3C, and I'm going to present my final project in heat transfer that is all about showing the temperature and total heat flux on a plane wall using ANSYS. Today, I'm going to show the steps how I created this project. First, I'm going to create an object using Autodesk Fusion. But before that, I will compute first the measurement na gagamitin ko sa object. Since yung number ko sa attendance is 41, nag-fall siya under 41 to 50, so yung x is equal to 3 meters. And yung sa y, since yung 41, yung 1 is equal to 10%, so yung 3 meters is i-multiply sa 10%, therefore yung y is equal to 0.3 meters. Next is, punta na po tayo sa Fusion. And then, mag-create na po tayo dito ng object. First is, click po natin tong Create Sketch. And then, click dito. Next is, i-click po natin tong 2-point rectangle dito sa origin. And then, yung sukat is 1 meter tab. Yung y natin is 0.3 meter. And after that, click po natin tong Finish Sketch. And then, itong orbit para ma-inspect yung object. And then, Escape. And then, click po natin yung Extrude pataas to 1 meter. And itong face na to is i-extrude to 1 meter. But before that, itong operation is papalitan po natin ang new body para hindi siya mag-merge. And ito po yung sukat niya is, yung 3 meters, bawasan ng 0.3 is 2.7 meters. Then, ito na po yung object natin. Use orbit para ma-inspect ulit yung object. And then, i-export na po natin. Name is Ana Jane. And sa type po, dapat yung .igs or .iges. And then, export. Pagka-export po nitong object, punta na po tayo sa Workbench. Dito po sa Analysis Systems, i-click po natin yung Steady State Thermal. And then, since yung engineering data is naka-check na, hindi na po natin siya gagalawin. Right-click sa Geometry, and then click Import Geometry, and then Browse. And then yung sinave po natin kanina is anajane.iges. Open. Since okay na siya, dito naman po tayo sa model. Wait lang po natin na lumabas yung model. Ito na po yung model. And then, click Mesh and Sizing. And papalitan po yung Span Angle Center na Fine. Then, click Solve. Next is yung Steady State Thermal. And click Environment. Temperature ng 2 beses. Then, yung unang temperature, itong unang phase is papalitan po ng 500. And now selection, apply. And then, itong second phase is papalitan ng 25. And no selection, click apply. Then, after that, click po natin yung temperature. And then, print preview. Ayusin lang po natin yung display. Then, home, print preview. Ito na po yung sa temperature. Subject is heat transfer. And author is Ana Jane L. Ramos. Prepared for engineer. Jeremy C. Balang. And then, click print. Then, Microsoft Print to PDF. Then, click print. Enter yung file name. Ramos, Ana Jane, L. Temperature. Save. Next is yung sa total heat flux. Heat flux. Subject. Heat transfer. Author. Ana Jane L. Ramos. Prepared for engineer. Jeremy C. Balang. Then click print. Then yung file name, Ramos, Ana Jane L. Total heat flux. Save. And then yung report preview. Then click print. And then yung file name. Ramos, Ana Jane L. Report preview. And save. Next is I will show you po the computation ng total heat flux and ng temperature. Click po natin itong materials, structural steel, and then yung isotropic thermal conductivity is equal to 60.5 watts per meter degree Celsius. Para sa total heat flux, meron tayong formula na Q over A is equal to K times delta T over X. Yung value ng K is equal to 60.5 watts per meter degree Celsius times delta T is 500 degrees Celsius minus 25 degrees Celsius all over yung X is 3 meters. Ito po yan. Yung total length nito is 3 meters. So, kapag pinag-solve po natin to, yung total heat flux is equal to 9,579.17 watts per meter squared. So, i-check po natin dito sa model. Total heat flux. Ito na po yung sa average, 9,578.2. And sa temperature naman, temperature, yung formula is Q over A is equal to K times delta T over X. Yung Q over A is 9,579.17 watts per meter squared is equal to K is equal to 60.5 watts per meter degrees Celsius times 500 degrees Celsius minus TA all over yung Y is equal to 0.3. Therefore, TA is equal to 452.5 degrees Celsius. Ayan sa home. Result. Edges. And probe. And then yung dito, yung dito is 452, 452.50, 452.56. Halos magkaparehas lang po dito sa na-compute. That's all po, sir. Thank you po. And God bless po.